Lifeline Johannesburg, in partnership with Meadowlands South African Police Service, hosted a women's empowerment event at the Meadowlands SAPS Hall this morning, bringing women together to discuss challenges that are affecting them and identify possible solutions. The discussions focused on encouraging women to speak out and to unite against gender-based violence, drug abuse, as well as crime. The initiative comes as South Africa continues to observe Women's Month.
I-Lifeline kwisixeko saseGoli ibambisene nesikhululo samapolisa saseMeadowlands zibambe umsitho wokuxhobisa abasetyhini kunye nokunika iqonga lokuba bathethe phandle ngemiceli-mngeni abahlangabezana nayo.
I-Lifeline, we are just here to showcase ama-service wethu. We are a wellness organization, so sifuna ukuwazisa umphakathi ngama-service wethu esiwayenzayo. Sibona ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi sixoxe nabantu abadlule ezimeni ezi-difficulty, ukuthi sibasharele the type of assistance that we offer. We are across Joburg and Soweto. Ama-offices wethu I-22 across lama area mentionayo. So even this month we have different events since kuyi-Women's Month, so sitholakala nje endaweni ezahlukahlukene. But if umuntu angakhona ukusireacha, ama-offices wethu are inside lama police station aseSoweto nama police station aseJoburg, and then we are open Monday to Friday 8 to 4. Encourage nje wonke umuntu ukuthi a report as a police station, as a reporter. If ufuna ukukhuluma ispace nesi confidential, kukhona ama office wethu sizovala umnyango and then sisize.
Le ndibano ixelwe njengaleyo ibalulekileyo kuba ayikho nje kuphela ngokufundisa koko, ikwagxile ekukhuthazeni ukuncedana nobumbano.
Kwinyanga yabomama siyapromota lokuthi obaba akube nobudlelwane obukahle nabantu besifazane, kuhlaliswane kahle, kuthandwanwe, kwenziwe izinto njengoba umuntu wafika kuyo wamproposa wathi uzomnakekela, uzomthanda, akube njalo phela namanje. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke kule event kuzogqugquzelwa kakhulukazi encourage abantu besifazane ukuthi ke imbokodo nayo ingathuli uma ehlukumezeka.
Le ntshukumo ikwahlaba ukhwelo kumadoda namanina ngokubanzi ukuba bazibandakanye nayo ukuze babe yinxalenye yeenzame zokwenza utshintsho. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eMeadowlands.
On the other hand, women who attended the empowerment event are calling for urgent interventions to tackle gender-based violence, femicide and other challenges affecting women in the community. Now, they're also urging more targeted initiatives in areas most affected by these issues, with communities playing a greater role in finding lasting solutions.
Hauna anything e etswang ntutse tshwana litse e tshwantse le go iwe kwa go ska invite certain people for ukuthi beze bazofunda lezo zinto. Kumele kuyiwe emphakathini, abantu bemphakathi kuhanjwe nabantu abane information, bakhulume nabo kahle, bababonise like ama drugs nani kuhanjwe kuyotholwa labantu abekho khona manje la nizofundisa thina ene yithi esikhala ngama drugs lawo, yithi khala ngabantwana abayenza zonke lezo zinto. So labantwana bekho la.
Ngizizwa ngijabulile kakhulu because imicimbi enje iyafuneka, siyayifuna in the community, ngoba kulamalanga lawa impilo the way siphila ngakhona, izinto zenzakala ngakhona zenza ukuthi wonke umuntu angafeel safe, angafeel free. We are no more enjoying impilo as we are supposed to.
Ngifuna ukubona utshintsho olukhulu kubomama nakubantwana bethu esibazalayo nakumphakathi wonke, nokuhlukunyezwa kakhulu. Uyayibona into enjalo, nokuthi sihlale sikhala njalo sikhaliswa abantwana bethu. Sifuna kube notshintsho olukhulu, and sifuna no government asitshintshele labantu laba abarepa abogogo nabantwana, especially thina bogogo asinayo isafe enkulu, siyayicela kakhulu.